I'm working in my forces.
Yeah.
This is gonna hurt.
It's not. Oh, it is recording.
Yeah.
You wanna do an intro?
Oh.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So today we are going to be removing the subframe. I mean, as in we, Joey and Brian, because I can't do jack squat. But yeah, so y'all get to see that.
Just the tops.
This is tops?
It's recording.
Oh! Okay.
Look at the standard.
They just have to take off the tops.
Bro, what? What? Why does this not look like mine?
Because it's not.
Oh, yeah.
These are shit coilovers.
But mine are like 250.
These are like 60.
For real?
No. Probably more than that, but they're cheap as fuck.
Hey, you got some overspray right here.
Not for me. And this white pant's about to get cracked. Holy fuck, that hurts.
Eh.
That hurts.
I wanted to do that side.
Ugh. You can tell I'm going through paint.
Oh, you're gonna have to like just touch up on it, huh? Oh, I hear it.
It's a lot. Oh my god, that hurts.
All around me.
Oh.
Oh, you ready? That was gonna suck.
You want to figure out what size you need for the... Why didn't I take these off?
Before.
Why don't we take off the bottom?
Because that's more work.
We're gonna have to.
No, we aren't.
To get to that bolt,
No, we aren't.
there's a lot of overs. A lot easier.
Ha!
17?
Bitch!
Fuck you.
I'll fuck you up.
I know. And?
He said, I know, and... Look at you wearing my jacket.
Yeah. Because I don't want to get mine dirty, which I already did. By throwing it on the ground. Why would I throw it on the ground?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Ow.
Oh.
I did myself.
Let me give it. Let me get it.
Okay.
Wait, which way is it?
It's gone. I like how you got the...
It's just gonna get on my way. Oh, what was I talking about?
I don't know.
That's one of them out.
I think this is gonna need an alignment.
It's gonna, yeah. It's gonna need an alignment everywhere.
Alright.
Damn.
Yeah. You wanna hand me that extension that's over there?
I don't know what it is.
The black, long extension.
Black, long extension.
Back of the table.
Oh. Hey,
Hey.
don't you try to reach for it when I'm already reaching for it. We like black, long things here.
Maybe you.
No, I'm racist.
I need a 19.
That sucks.
Fuck you. Help me up at least.
You
Fuck
can
you.
get up yourself.
Fuck
Where do you
you.
want to put these bolts at?
Up your ass.
I mean, if you insist.
Oh my god.
What? Stop recording me. Still work environment.
Hey, you told me not to do that. And you can't.
Do what? Hey, don't do that. You're not allowed to do that. Pretty quiet.
fuck, that hurt.
That's why you're supposed to wear gloves.
I smashed my finger. It fucking hurts.
That's why you're supposed to wear gloves.
Gloves wouldn't help.
Yes, they would.
How?
They would. Because it is designed for that.
No.
Put your gloves on.
No. That isn't gonna help from an impact.
Oh, these will help.
Barely. It was a side impact, not a straight on.
That sucks.
You suck.
I know. Put your gloves on.
Stop. Ow, my pinky hurts.
Put your gloves on.
Get this side's done.
What?
This side's done. Alright, so that one bolt you took out.
Yep.
Okay. The 2 bolts up here. But to
Two
get. There's 2 bolts right here.
Okay.
But one of them you come from this side in between the tie rod and the control arm.
Alright.
Get this one.
Yep.
And this one you have to go through the hole.
Okay. They designed that hole for a reason, huh?
Yep, but the socket doesn't fit, so you have to put it on after.
Good enough. I don't need this extension for the back ones, do I?
No.
Okay.
You just need the 17 mil.
Yep. So that big one. Oh, that one. This dude barely adds nothing to this. I only see 117 mil.
There's not one really far back behind the frame rail.
Oh, it's like hidden.
Yeah.
I gotta do, yeah. So there's the one. Okay. I got it. Mechanic with a K. See, you're a mechanic with a K. I'm a mechanic with a K. That makes us mechanics.
What?
I meant to say you're a mechanic with a C, but I kind of messed it up.
Don't you spell mechanic with a K?
Yeah.
I don't know how to spell mechanic.
You spell mechanic with a C. But since we're dumb, we spell mechanic with a K.
But I'm not stupid, you are.
Okay.
Alright, so yesterday you saw us take out the subframe. Today I'm going to be tearing it down and getting all the control arms off, the coilovers, the knuckles, the power steering rack, all off of it. Maybe clean it up a little bit, because I'm going to try to sell it, get some money for it, and fund new parts for that. So, this, since you saw us a more in-depth video of us taking it out, I'm just going to do a short-ish time lapse of me just completely tearing it down. So, let's get at it.
I love you.
Alright, so got it all stripped, got it cleaned up, got most of the grease off. Did uncover a little more rust, but it's really just surface rust, so if it gets like sandblasted or like wire wheeled, it would come off. But other than that, I think I'm going to post it. I'm going to look up what people are posting them for, sell it, so I can get some more money for the new subframe. Yeah, so we're gonna start moving. It's starting to feel like it's making progress. You know, I don't have any of the parts. It feels like I'm getting closer, and closer. So, hopefully soon, I can order the engine or the subframe, whatever I decide to go with. Hopefully I can order that soon and get it here. Well, if it's the engine, I won't have it in soon, but subframe I'll bolt in and start putting suspension stuff back on because I'm not upgrading suspension yet, so. But, yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, please leave a comment and tell me why. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.